Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Bootstrap package game on Valorant if you do not you cannot open a game. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to open your task manager and end all the tasks related to Valorant, Riot Games or Vanguard. So as you can see here, if you have some tasks here, you can press end task. And also on the bottom right corner, there is a arrow up button here that says show hidden icons. Press on that, and then also exit Riot Vanguard if you have here. And after you do that, then you need to go to firewall and network protection here. Press allow an app through firewall, press change settings, and then scroll down until you see Riot Games and make sure these two are private and public is on. And if you don't find Riot Client here, you can add it easily by pressing allow another app, press browse, and then you need to look for the files that basically you install Riot Games. For me, it's local disk C, and then Riot Games, Riot Client, and add this Riot Client services, right? And then make sure also this thing is ticked on, private and public. And the last thing that you can do here, you can update your operating system. So here, just press on search, just write check for updates, and then press check for updates button here and download and install the latest drivers for your computer, and then restart PC and try to run your game again. Right, so that's pretty much it what I want to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.